17. Inside, row 5 in the 71, that is Featherston. Outside of Featherston is the 103 of David Thomason. Inside of him, Tyler Hermadka and Jeff Wakeman. The Cup. Great flag, and we're racing. Here we go. The battle's out. It's Beldowski in first. Smith and Stafford right behind Beldowski. As we're locked up side by side for second, third, fourth.
Fearless Frank still out front of Dennis Smith Jr. Gary Stafford and John Reynolds battling for that fourth spot. Watch out for that 17 of Max Kaler working hard on the outside along with Michael Bilderback in that 2 car.
Max Kaler with the fast time of the evening. We'll see if he's got some as Reynolds almost made it 3 wide. Trying to put the pressure on DJ Smith. DJ Smith putting the pressure on Beldowski. Here we go into 3. Kaler, Bilderback right there behind him. We got a battle for the first 5 spots. And don't forget about Van Oski and Beinlich right behind them.
And there are your points leaders running the table right up there.
DJ.
Dennis Smith Jr. trying to hang off. He's done this early on. John Reynolds Jr. in that X car has been behind them before.
And
they played cat and mouse numerous times. Sorry, John.
Max Kaler almost went through the middle and made it 3 wide for the late models. That was close. As the leaders are starting to single file out in this 30-lap feature for our Stanley Steamer late models.
84 of Vanoski still working low against Jerry Stafford, the second over there.
Heads at Smith. Driver X was looking on the inside of Smith. Bilderback tried to take advantage of it. Whoa, Bilderback and Reynolds make a little contact.
Great job by John Reynolds Jr. to keep the X on the spot and on the track in that second spot. Could have been ugly.
Here comes that fast qualifier. Kaler looking to the inside of Bilderback. Almost took advantage of Bilderback as he tried to battle Reynolds for that position. Nobody's given any leeway whatsoever. Everything's on the line.
Top 4 points leaders. Boom, boom, and boom. All right there. Bilderback creeping his way in there. Kaler. Everybody on the 81 of Dennis Smith Jr. Can he hold on? Dennis Smith Jr. has not won a feature this year.
Driver X is looking to make his move on the inside. Bilderback's looking to make his move on the inside of Driver X. We almost went 3 wide again. Whoa!
Dennis Smith Jr. making sure he takes that high line, getting as much speed as he can. Reynolds Jr. right there. Bilderback. Watch out for that top qualifier too of Max Kaler.
DJ Smith hanging on here. We are almost to the halfway point. Reynolds looking to the inside. Something's going to give here shortly as Bilderback's trying to come up to the outside. We've got a race for the lead. Here comes Reynolds.
Fearless Frank in the 61 trying to haul off the 84 of Vanoski for the 5th spot.
As Michael Bilderback decides to make a try to pass DJ Smith. Looks like Reynolds backed off a little bit. Kaler wants to move up into 3rd. It's Smith, Bilderback, Reynolds, Kaler, Van Aske, and Beldowski make contact. Well, Bilderback and DJ make contact as well as Bilderback is going to take the lead from DJ.
And Dennis Smith doing a good job of regaining, but he's got John Reynolds Jr. and Max Kaler right on his trail. And the question is, will Bilderback and the 2 begin to pull away? Or will Dennis Smith Jr. tighten it up and get it up? Reynolds and Kaler behind him. Bilderback slowly rolling. Frank Beldowski's going to lose his spot to 84 Vanoski. Bilderback going. Smith right now holding off Reynolds Jr. and Max Kaler. Vanoski continues in that
with 10 to go. It's Bilderback, DJ Smith, Reynolds, and Kaler. Van Oski, all 5 points leaders in the battle, all 5 in the first 5 spots.
Reynolds just working the Dennis Smith Jr. car. Every turn.
Reynolds has got to make something happen here if he's going to try to catch Michael as time is running out with 8 laps to go.
Yeah, Reynolds and Dennis Jr. get a little squirrely over there in 2. Dennis Smith Jr.'s got that fender on the passenger side. It looks like the driver's side fender that's kind of popping out a little bit of a airbag that might be slowing him down around the pace. Bilderback pulling away from it all. Max Kaler got ahead of Reynolds and now is working on Dennis Smith Jr., who's being a stubborn man in the 81 machine. There goes Max Kaler on the low side. Down the backstretch. Can he get Dennis Smith Jr.? Right now he can't. But he's working on him in 2 and 1 and on the backstretch. Bilderback running away. Kaler slowly trying to get around Dennis Smith Jr. as John Reynolds gonna make it interesting. And finally, Max Kaler will get around Dennis Smith Jr. But it's Michael Bilderback who's working up on traffic. Tyler Romadka is working on that 3 car. Max Kaler beginning to run in the 2nd spot. Dennis Smith trying to hold on to that 3rd spot over John Reynolds Jr. in the X. 2 to go. Bilderback coming up on lap traffic. And it's going to be Fearless Frank in the 61 car having some problems on the backstretch. And that's going to bottle everybody up.
Eric, this is going to make things very, very interesting with 2 laps to go. If they were trying to catch Michael Bilderback, they just got everything that they hoped for. This is going to be a 2-lap shootout. This is going to be very interesting to watch as the raw start steel collision restart code will go into play as that chess match will happen. Who's going to choose the inside? Who's going to choose the outside? Driver X has got something for Michael Bilderback. We're going to find out right now. Door handle, bumper to bumper. Here we go. Here comes the other guy. Great flag, and we're racing.
And it's number 2, Michael Bilderback getting out and hanging on. Max Kaler right there. John Reynolds Jr. trying to work his way up there and did right in front of the 81 of Dennis Smith Jr. Can Michael Bilderback hold off the 17 of Max Kaler? Don't forget about John Reynolds in the X. 1 to go. Bilderback there. Kaler. Dennis Smith in that 4 spot trying to hang off some traffic there himself from Bylick and Vanoski. Bilderback's going to win it. Kaler 2nd, Reynolds 3rd. Dennis Smith Jr. will be in 4th. And John Bylick in the 93 will round off the top 5. That is Michael Bilderback's 5th feature win here at the Rockford Speedway. On all 8 races here, he has finished in the top 5.
Wow. I know that wasn't what Michael Bilderback wanted, to have a caution with 3 laps to go, but it happened anyway. And he kicked the horsepower into gear and was able to hold off Driver X, DJ Smith, and Max Kaler, as that was a very, very close race. Michael Bilderback, one of the competitors on Tuesday night at the Slinger Nationals. Didn't have the greatest night, but he was there. Racing with all of them, Matt Kinseth, all those guys. Sponsored by Colin Metals Fabricating. Special thanks to Liz Bilderback, Bilderback Auto Parts. Let's hear it for Michael Bilderback. Michael, congratulations. You had your hands full from the get-go as you guys were just all right there. DJ hanging on for dear life. You made your move, and you thought it was smooth sailing. And here a caution comes out, and we were like, oh, boy, tell us about it, please.
Yeah, it was what a close race there. You know, we all started kind of right there and got out front there, and I knew it was going to be a battle at that point with you got all, you know, the fastest four there in front, and it's going to be whoever gets to the lead first is what happens. And then that caution came out, and this thing hates cold tires, so we were skating around. So thankful everybody was skating around after that caution. So big hats off to the crew. We worked our ass off. We changed a lot of stuff today, so thank you.
Michael, how rough was the inside of the track tonight to try to pass? Because we saw Rex try to do it several times on DJ Smith, and you just see him get a little loose. Tell us about the inside tonight.
Yeah, when it's hot and greasy like this, the track hates it, and our race cars hate it. It makes our tires slimy. I thought the bottom was a little better tonight than we've had, you know, past at the 76 lapper when it was a little hotter than this. But you know, it's always tight racing here at Rockford, and a little rubbing here, a little racing here. It's we all drink beer afterwards.
Outstanding. Michael, do you have any sponsors or pit crew you'd like to thank before we draw the winner of the 50-50? And right now it's currently at $500 to a single winner. Michael?
Yeah, I got a whole bunch of them. Colin Metals, Liz Bilderback, Jim Olsen Collision, Crazy Times, Fabrino Attorney, the KMK Media, Paper Recovery, Jay's Truck Service. I don't know who's on that one. Pete's Automotive, Bilderback Auto Parts, everyone here at the Speedway, the whole crew. They, like I said, this is a team effort. They just give me the easy job.
And you got a crew on the back of your car, the Bilderbackers.
Yep, all them Bilderbackers. We got about 50 names on there. They all support us each and every week. So thank you, guys.
Outstanding. Michael, congratulations. Once again, Michael Bilderback. Michael, I got a question for you, too. The fans and I want to know, okay? And we're going to make some noise. Michael, would you please take a plunge in the magic pool? Ladies and gentlemen, do you want to see Michael Bilderback jump in the pool? What do you say, Michael? Come on.
They said I get free beer afterwards, right?
Sure.
What the hell?
First one's on me. All right, Michael Bilderback's going to do it. Oh, Michael, draw the 50-50 real quick.
Can I get my crew guys, too?
Sure. 6073 and 6099. All right, let's make some noise as Michael Bilderback is going to jump in the pool. Let's go, Michael. What's that? Come on, spotter. You got to get out here, too. What's your spotter's name, Mike? Aaron's got to get out there with Michael. Here we go. Let's count him down from 3. Not yet. We'll get him closer. All right, come on, Michael. Let's make a splash. Oh, yeah, right here. Yep, right here. Yep, that's fine. Yep. Oh, I missed it. There, that made up for Johnny Robinson the second not jumping in. All right, give Michael Bilderback a big hand for that splash and his spotter. Wow. All right, once again, lucky number souvenir programs. If you have one of these numbers, go down to the souvenir stand, show them your number, you get a prize. 6051, 5720, 6058, 6066, 5749, 5838, 6073, and the last and final one,